Hi, thanks for stopping by. I really believe that we can accomplish what we set our minds to. You can become anything you can imagine and in the process make more money. Everything that you see around us, every building, every product, everything in your house was at one point an idea in somebody's mind. What is that idea that is inside of you that is screaming to come out? One of the things that limits us from achieving our goals is the habit of thinking small. When you were a child, you would think big, challenge everyone, disrespect authority, and believe that anything was possible. But then, as you grew older, went to school, your family, your teachers, and everyone around you started saying, no. Don't do that. Stop that. Do you want to stand out? What do you think that does to the human mind? It trains the mind to think small and follow orders. If all we do is follow orders, our future potential will be limited. Everyone that has started something special learned to say no to distractions and yes to an open mindset of opportunity. Everyone that has become wealthy has taken the road less traveled. The better questions you ask about how you spend your time, the more opportunities will land in front of you, which can propel you into such a different place in a year. Opportunities don't just come your way. You need to step out of your comfort zone and grab them. This involves taking risks and overcoming your fear of failure. If you treat becoming successful like a part-time job, you will get part-time results. You must let go of the past and change your habits now. The clock is ticking and you are running out of time. The sooner that you can begin your transformation, the sooner you can have an impact. It is far better to work hard for a few years and then enjoy the rest of your life rather than work until your last breath. People go to school, graduate, then they get a job and a small raise every year. While most careers are fine, there is a problem with them. They are tied to your time and disguised as a job. School teaches you to specialize in one thing and work for others. The irony in this is you will work until you die, and as soon as you stop working, you stop getting paid. Let me repeat that. As soon as you stop working, you stop getting paid. There is a better way. This teaches one to be dependent on a paycheck forever. You need to break the cycle and live a free life. Change your mindset and start thinking and acting as the rich do, where your money works for you. You need to make the move now before you lose your chance. People need to challenge themselves and do different things to get different results. Most people try something new for a few days and then go back to their old routine. To become financially independent, you must reinvest in yourself and leverage your skills. Your potential is not limited by what others think. If you do not create the time to dream about the future you want, you will always be living in somebody else's dream. As Marcus Aurelius put it a few thousand years ago, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Join me on a quest towards freedom in creating a life that you deserve. Get a copy of my book. My goal is to see you grow. Share this video with those you care about.